What is absorption costing? Absorption costing is a method used in accounting to calculate the cost of a product. In absorption costing, all manufacturing costs are included in the cost of the product. This includes both variable costs and fixed costs. Variable costs change with the level of production. Fixed costs remain the same even if production changes. Examples of costs included in absorption costing are raw materials, direct labor, and factory overheads. Factory overheads include rent, electricity, and machine maintenance. Under absorption costing, every unit of product absorbs a share of fixed production costs. This is why it is called absorption costing. For example, if a factory produces 1,000 units, the fixed costs are divided among all 1,000 units. This method is mainly used for preparing financial statements. Absorption costing follows accounting standards and legal requirements. It helps show the full cost of production. However, absorption costing can sometimes hide inefficiencies. This happens because fixed costs are spread across many units. In simple words, absorption costing means all production costs are included in product cost. Easy way to remember. Absorption costing means absorbing all costs into the product.